This is Code.org, and I am so ready for our challenge. Figure out how to get all the nectar using the blocks available. We have one block here, we can use up to 7. It wants us to only use 2 move forwards, think of this as a hint, 1 get network, and 3 repeats. I really like to just go for it and use too many blocks just to kind of problem solve. So I'm going to move forward, oh my goodness. 12, or every one of these is 12 nectars, okay. How am I going to just do 1? Well, I'm going to start putting these out, and I hope you're yelling at me right now. Why on earth would I pull this out 12 times? That seems like a lot. I could just, put in a 12 here, right? That's what you were telling me through the computer screen thing, or TV, or phone, or wow, the world's complicated. Now I can do this 12 times. So now I'll move forward once and get 12 nectar. Let's test. Yeah, go B, go. Okay, but now I gotta go forward again. Alright, well, boom. And now I'll just get 12 more nectar, right? Wait a minute though. Notice that it only wants me to use 1 more move forward, and if I keep going like this... Oh wait, I'm out of nectar. It doesn't even want me to do that again. But let's keep going and see how this looks. Huh. So, wait a minute. Before I even run this, move forward, get 12 nectar, move forward, get 12 nectar, move forward, get 12 nectar. Right? So I can get all these flowers. I'm repeating myself again. Goodbye and goodbye. Hello, my friend repeat. So instead of saying all that 3 times, I'm going to make a nested loop, a nested repeat. Repeat this 3 times. I'll move forward once, get 12 nectar, hit the bottom, zoop, back to the top, move forward again, zoop, get the 12 nectar. It repeats this little code 12 times, hits the bottom, back to the top. Finally, I move forward and get that 12 nectar. Then what do I want to do? Well, I'd want to turn, right, to the right, I think. And then what? Well, I'm pretty sure it's going to be similar to this. So repeat, move forward again, because the square has 4 sides. They're all the same. So now on this side, I'll want to do the same stuff, right? Repeat. I hope you're yelling at your computer again, because I am doing more work than you need to. 3 times, right? Because it's the same stuff. And then I got to turn right again. Well, that's still not enough. There's 4. Wait a minute. Quacha. So I would want to do this for each side. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's nuts. Why repeat myself? Blop, blop, blop. 4 times. Okay. Well, wait a minute. What am I missing? Let's see. Great thing about code, you can always, always, always be wrong. Oh, we got it! I just want to point out too, guys, we still had an extra move forward. These nested loops are super, super, super tricky. So one more time to go through this. Step, I'm going to do this all 4 times. First, repeat this chunk of code 3 times. Move forward once, done. Now 12 times over, I'm going to get nectar. So once, hit the bottom, back to the top, get nectar again. That's 11, 10, and 9. You can watch it. 8, 7, 6, 5. And I do this little chunk 12 times till I have no nectar. Once I have none, I hit the bottom of this, go through it, because I've done it 12 times. I still have to go this loop 2 more times. So I'm going to move forward again, 12 more times, get nectar, and click the mouse. Way too much. Once I've done that, boom, hit the bottom. I got to do this one again. For the 3rd time, get all this nectar. Hit the bottom. I've done this 12 times, hit the bottom. I've done this 3 times. I can finally turn. Then I hit the bottom of this, and I have to repeat it for all sides. And then we get to be right. Nested loops are super powerful, but it's important that we understand how they work. Onward.